Organizational knowledge requires you to figure out three things. One is what knowledge is necessary to run the business. The second is how to make the current knowledge available. And the third is, if you need any additional knowledge, how do you get it? You can document all this in the management review. You can document it in any of the other ways we've discussed previously. So the requirement of the standard is that you determine organizational knowledge. And so here's some types of organizational knowledge that probably already exist. Instruction manuals, operating procedures, specific expertise such as outside consultants that are used for various purposes, programming instructions, backup procedures, and succession planning. There's no specific requirement for documented information on this, so one good place to capture this is in the management review. Here's a question. Can organizational knowledge be contained in the experience of certain individuals? Yes, it certainly can, as I'll show you in a minute. But it's important in this case to get the process owners and/or the management to start thinking about this. Here's an example of organizational knowledge risk assessment. These are just examples. Your maintenance manager leads the maintenance program. He has specific experience with breakdown maintenance in every piece of equipment you have. Your second shift supervisor directs and motivates employees, but he's the only bilingual supervisor you have. 90% of the crew is Spanish speaking. Your design engineer develops new products. He knows every customer, engineering person by name. He knows the product, and he has a copy of every development file you own. Here's some more examples. The quality manager administers the QA system, sets up the management review, corrective action, and internal audits, keeps you in conformance with the system, knows when everything is scheduled, knows how to deal with the registrar, etc., etc. So that could be a high-risk individual. How about this one? A junior engineer does design work, has access to every single one of the proprietary drawings and the processes. That's a potential high-risk individual. Here's another one of these QR codes for the widget company story. I'll give you a chance to scan this or follow the link. And here's a second example of the widget company. And finally, in the Part 3 series, this is the third example.